this is a tutorial for the step and slide move. So this is one of the really early moves that it's good to learn in your pole journey, just so you know where to start connecting the weight from your body to the pole. So if we start with our back to the pole like this, you can see that my heels are quite close in. So that would be the starting position. So you're just there, and then you're going to take a step with the inside leg, so the one that's not at the front, and then from there, the pole should be resting just on one side of your back. Okay, so there's the centre of your spine, it just goes to one side, and it should be resting on that muscle there. Okay, so we've got the feet there, you take the step away, so one, hands up, so they just go onto the pole just like this, so the hands are facing towards your body, and then the elbows come forwards, and then you go step, extend, and drop to the floor to release. Okay, so let's try that again together. So the reason why you step out is because, well, for two reasons. One, it looks a little bit more aesthetically pleasing, and two, you need to make space for your bum. So if you've just done that with me then, and you felt like, oh God, I'm trapped, then you need to take a wider step. Okay, so we're standing up, we've got the step, step, arms, extend, drop, relax. So let's try that again with no instruction. I'll just count us in, and we've got 5, 6, 7, and okay, we're going to go to that other side now, so just go to the other side of the pole. Remember which leg you've just used. We're going to use the inside leg to step. So let's go through it together. We have 5, 6, 7, and step, inside leg, arms. Hands are facing your body, remember. Elbows come together so you can see your face. Extend in the front leg and drop. Hands. So you can see one leg's long and one leg's bent. So let's do that again. So you should know this a little bit easier this side because we talked it through on the other side. So let's just go for it. We've got 5, 6, 7, and 1. Okay, so a nice way to get out of this, I should stay down on the floor, a nice way to get out of this is to just knock that back knee down to the side, and then you follow that pathway. So if you've got the right knee back, it goes to the side, the hands go to that same side. From there, the other leg just chases the first leg, it takes a step and up. So we just go back to the other side one more time, just to find that little transition to stand up. So we've got our back to the pole, step, hands, extend, drop, hand, side, chase the foot. So you go through this position to stand up. One more time, last time the other side, and then I think you're good to go with this. So we have 7 and okay, so that was the introduction to your step and slide step in pole, and go and try it a few times both sides.